feel more power.
Yeah, it's more flow, that's why.
Yeah.
It's not restricting the air to come out.
Yeah, I can feel like it's like a lot more power just based on exhaust alone.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you love it?
Oh my god, it's just totally different.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the AWE touring exhaust on one of my buddy's car. So here it is right here. Yeah, so I went ahead and switched to the Remus exhaust, and I had this just laying in the garage. Yeah, so I met Vong at the gym, and he is like totally stock, and he liked the exhaust, so I was like, hey, you know what, I have one. Sell it to you and I can do install. So here I am. So right now what I did, you can look under here, I took off the metal under tray right here, and also the plastic tray, and put it to the side right there. So what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna be lubricating the nuts and bolts that we need to take off. So we got three nuts here, and we're gonna also lubricate the rubber exhaust hangers, so it'll be easy for us to take them off. We got 3 more over here, and I think that's pretty much it. The rest is just the hangers. Go all the way to the exhaust. Right there, we got 1, 2, and then in here too, right there, in there. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that right now. All right, so we're gonna let that soak for a little bit, and we'll be back. So you're gonna need a 14mm socket for this. So, got this hanger off right there. And then, gotta take up this and that right there, that right there. And how to access this is you gotta take up clips from this thing. It's 4 on that side, 4 on that side, and it just comes off. Yeah. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna hold it. Okay. Come behind me and just pull it out. Okay. Okay. All right. Go ahead. You're gonna see how long this thing is. All right, so that's the exhaust without the front pipe. It's really long. All right, so we're gonna also have to take off this aluminum heat shield. We got bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. So we're gonna do that just to take this off, and also to make more clearance for the bigger front pipe. All right, so don't forget this, the front pipe has a O-ring. You gotta remove it and transfer it to the new exhaust. All right, so putting in the new exhaust, we're gonna do the front pipe first, which is the hardest one, because clearance is gonna be hard, because obviously it's thicker, it's a lot bigger than OEM. So what we're gonna do is gonna remove this bolt. It's a 17mm bolt. Take it out, and we're gonna be able to rock the engine, so we can have more clearance to put in the front pipe. Like that. And when we rock the engine, we can make more clearance. So come to the front, Vong.
Yeah.
Man, this part, just pull it.
Oh, pull it.
From hold it here.
Okay.
And just pull it. Okay, hold it like that.
Okay.
There you go. Woo! Easier.
How do you do this by yourself? A foot kicking it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Trust me, like I had to like boom and get something to like lock it, like here to like pinch.
Wow.
And then I just do it myself.
Damn.
Yeah, so just imagine this thing, it takes longer if you don't have help.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So we just bolt, boom, boom, boom.
Wow, you're amazing, man, by yourself.
Yeah. So we're gonna put back the bolt, which is right here. Here. So put this back in. Bam. So that way it can stay in place.
Oh, it'll hold it in?
Yep.
Wow.
Let's tighten it up. Okay, so I went ahead and put back the heat shield. Like that, and we get the front pipe on. This part right here, you don't want to like tighten it yet.
Okay.
Until you put on the muffler. There you go. Just tighten this a little bit so it won't come off. So, what I did, I put those on first, and then I actually took this off from there, slip it onto the exhaust, and then I slipped it back in there and there. So yeah, it will help if you lube it up with like WD-40 or whatever, any grease. It'll help a lot, guys. Alright guys, so when you get the exhaust installed, make sure you wipe down so you won't get any fingerprints, because once you have greasy fingers or anything grease on the exhaust, it will leave marks. So make sure you wipe off the exhaust.
Mine, but I can feel more power.
Yeah, it's more flow, that's why.
Yeah.
It's not restricting the air to come out.
Yeah, I can feel like it's like a lot more power just based on exhaust alone.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You love it?
Oh my god, it's just totally different.
Alright guys.
I can't imagine when this thing go to 500 horse.
Yeah.
You want to drive some?
Yeah, let me try it.
Yeah. You feel the power difference, right? It's like so much more maneuverable.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh my god, angry car. I can't imagine when the intake is changed.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's content. The car sounds amazing, sounds better than stock. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.